Today I'm demonstrating how to install an industrial computer in a rack enclosure. To demonstrate, we'll be using a 2U DuroPc RAC 224 with i7 processing, a 4U RAC 161 quad-core, and a set of adjustable slide rails. To install an adjustable rack slide rail on an industrial rack mount computer, first take apart the slide rail and remove the innermost rail. That will mount to the chassis. Depress the lock button down to remove the innermost rail. The outermost rail will install into your rack enclosure. Install the included teeth with the included hardware. The mounting teeth allow for a small amount of flexibility. Attach with the included hardware. The innermost slide rail will line up and attach onto the screw holes of the industrial computer chassis. Once attached, install your opposite rack slide the same way. They're reversible, so sides don't matter. Let's open your rack enclosure. The rear of your outer rail with mounting teeth will install in the back of the rack enclosure. The front of the slide rail will need installed as well. You can see it's positioned flush at the front of the enclosure. With outer rack slides installed, let's install a DuroPc 2U RAC 224 with Intel i7 processing. Line it up with the slide rails and make sure to depress the latches to allow the computer to slide fully into the enclosure system. This DuroPc 2U system fits flush into the rack enclosure. If your 4U system does not fit flush into the rack enclosure because of attached rack ears, I'll now show you a simple solution. Moving on to the DuroPc 4U RAC 161 with quad-core processing, this industrial computer often does not mount flush with your enclosure unit. This is because of the included rack ears and handles. As you can see, it protrudes from the enclosure cabinet. We do not sit flush against the enclosure even with the rack slides installed. A simple solution to this problem is installing a piece of intermediary rack channel. The intermediary rack channel will allow you to mount your industrial computer further back within the cabinet. The intermediary channel is available from your enclosure manufacturer. Using the front rack channel will still cause the 4U unit to protrude. You'll see the rack slide is mounted with the front on the intermediary channel and the back on the furthest piece of channel in the cabinet. You can see that with the intermediary rack channel, the 4U DuroPc RAC 161 now mounts flush with the front of the enclosure. There's no longer a space between the computer and the enclosure. Thank you for learning how to install adjustable rack slides on your industrial PC. This and more tips are available at www.duropc.com.